Hello and welcome back to our series. In our last video, we learned how to set up our core colors and fonts. Today, we're going to be taking two small steps, yet with an enormous impact on our branding, adding your logo and your favicon. Adding these elements makes your site look established and professional. So let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to the Media button. Click Upload from Computer, and select your logo as well as all of the other files you're going to need on your website so that you can easily access them later on when you need them. Once your logo is uploaded, click on it and click on Add to Page. By the way, you might need to crop it first and resize it just enough to fit your header. Now let's delete the logo that came with the template, so click on it and hit delete. And then we're going to replace it with our own logo. Sometimes you're going to need to rearrange your elements on your header or delete those that you don't need, like I'm going to do with this one. Just make sure that your elements are properly aligned to have a clean look. If you'd like to adjust your header's height, you can also do so. There we go. But to make our logo even more functional, we are going to link it to our homepage so that every time a visitor clicks on it, they'll be taken to the homepage easily. So click on your logo and click on Link. Select Page, and on this drop-down, select Home. Make sure that it opens on the current window and click on Done. Now let's learn how to add a favicon to your website. First, go to your site's dashboard. Then, go to Settings. Now, on the search bar, type in Favicon and select this one. Scroll down to the Favicon section, and over here, you should see that your default favicon is Wix's logo. If you've upgraded your site to a premium plan, when you hover over the Wix logo, you should see the option to replace it with your very own favicon. So go ahead and click on it, upload your logo, and then click on Save to save that as your favicon. And that's it. You've successfully branded your website with your very own logo and favicon. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.